Hi guys, so this is the Tech Girl 007. I'm back with another video. This will be a similar video to my phone video which I did, which was about what to do if your phone doesn't charge or it doesn't turn on. So basically this is the same thing, but this time I'm going to be performing it with an iPad, which happened recently, and I thought I should make a video too, so for you guys to know how to fix yours if this happened. Okay, so basically at some point in your life you might experience that your iPad just turns off on its own and it doesn't turn on, regardless of you charging it or doing anything to it. By this I don't mean if it's like water damaged or anything, so don't try it if it's water damage. You might be able to get some results at some point if your iPad gets completely dry, so you can try it, and there's many ways on how to dry them, and if you guys want I can make a video for future to show you how to dry your iPad if it comes across any sort of liquid, but yeah, we can't guarantee 100% of it being dried, but we can obviously try. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this issue. So your phone or your iPad turned off on its own without you guys doing anything or without it being dropped or anything. It just turns off, and then you don't know what to do. It doesn't charge, it doesn't turn on. You press any button, home button, power button, anything, it doesn't work. Okay, so to make it work, okay, so the iPad that I'm using is the iPad 4. You can see that's how it looks like. So yeah, so let's go ahead. There are around three, I think it's three, but I'll take you through the steps. There's 3 ways on how to resolve this. Obviously it's different for different devices at some point, but it's mostly the same for certain ones. But yeah, so let's go ahead. So right now, for now my iPad is working completely fine, but I've just turned it off to just show you guys. So what you do is, first of all, try to do this. Try to press the home button. So this is the home button, and then the power button, which is here on the top. Try to press them together, and then this should make it turn on. Mine just turned on because it just was working fine. That's one way of resolving that issue. Another way to resolve the issue, if this method didn't work, you can press the home, the power button, the home button, and the volume down button. So it will be around here. So that's the volume down button, all at the same time. Whenever you're doing it, whichever method you're using, you have to do you have to press the buttons all at the same time. So that's the power button, the home button, and then the volume down button. So I'm gonna just perform it so you guys know. So you press everything all at the same time and you keep it there for like around 7 seconds. So press. As you all know, mine's already working, so I'm just doing this just for the sake of the tutorial. And then yeah, it's turning on, turning off, because it is. So that's what you can do. And then if that didn't work, the third option should be to, again, power button, home button, and then the volume up button. That's the third way that you can try to resolve the issue, and that's the final method. Hopefully that should work for you guys, because it has worked for me, it has worked for my brother, it has worked for my family, whoever I've shown, it has worked for them. This the reason it happens, it's unknown. So the reason is unknown. We don't know why it happens. It could be that the phone or the iPad has got very hot, or I don't know. It just out of nowhere the brain just doesn't want to turn on. But anyway, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope that you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, because I'm trying very hard to get my channel moving, and to obviously improve some things in it, and for that I need you guys support, and yeah, I'm trying to get like around 500 subscribers, and I want that in near future. So if you guys can help me with that, that would be great. Otherwise, you guys take care and have a nice day. Bye.